When detailing your car, everyone just talks about scratches. Scratches, scratches, scratches. You know, don't use a sponge, use microfiber cloth, and don't go in circular motions, go in straight lines, use more than one bucket, you know, use snow foams, and basically such an emphasis on not damaging the paintwork in your car, yet no one talks about the hose. And in the wrong hands, the hose can be quite dangerous, because think about it, it drags along the floor, it's full of grit, and if this thing comes up and hits the paintwork, it's going to cause damage. Now, this is normally due to one of the biggest problems, and that is the hose getting trapped underneath the tyres of the car. So people tend to do like a little swinging motion, and it comes out inevitably if you're not careful and may whack the paintwork. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you a product from a company called DetailGuardz who's come up with a solution to that problem. So this is Talks to you, and if you like this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button, or leave a comment in the section below, or just give a like on the video. So if anyone's wondering why I haven't done any uploads recently, it's just that I've been working a lot, and a few of the products I'm looking at and a few of the projects I'm doing just going to take a little bit of time, such as this Android head unit for my car. I'm going to do a very in-depth review on this. And I'm also doing a dual exhaust conversion on the back of the A4. I'm also going to be painting a new diffuser as well. And finally, the main thing as well, the S-line bumper I've got for the front of the car. It's going to look really, really good when this is on. But it's going to be a little while until this is done. There's a lot of painting, lots of spraying, and I want to make sure it's done as best as I can. So quickly, let me just go over the product which I'm going to be showing you, and it's these. These come in all different colours. You can get them in like oranges, blues, reds, greens. And essentially what these do, these go underneath the corner of the tyre of your car. So if you see on here, it's like a right angle. And basically what this does, rather than the hose come in contact with the tyre, it comes in contact with this, which it's quite ergonomically designed in terms of allowing the hose to, you know, swoop down from the top and guides the hose into the two rollers at the side, which basically means it comes around really, really easy. And in practice, this worked fantastically. No matter my best efforts, I couldn't get this thing to stick on the tyre using this. These come in packs of 2 and packs of 4, and in reality 2 is more than enough for any really normal wash. However, the 4-pack isn't actually that much more expensive. It's not double the price. I think it's like an extra 50% on top. And for that reason, in case you're going to lose one or something, or maybe you damage one, I actually say the 4-pack probably works out better value, even though you're probably going to be using 2 of them. Now, one thing I found was the build quality was actually a lot better than I thought. You know, you pick up in your hands and it sounds maybe a little bit cheap, but it's actually quite bendy plastic. And with this one, I even drove over this with my car twice. You know what? It still works. Came a little bit misaligned and had to unscrew it at the bottom and pull it back out, but there we go, it survives being ran over twice by an Audi A4. So, you know, durability, pretty damn good actually. I like that. Now at the moment, this design is patent pending, and the DetailGuardz are a company operating in Canada, but they do sell products worldwide. So you want Australia, US, Canada, Europe, UK, they can sell the products all there for you. I'm going to leave a link in the description below where you can pick them up in your various countries, or at least trying to do my best to include as much countries as possible. And I've also listed on the side here the different prices at the moment of what they cost in the respective currencies. Overall, what do I think of this product? Well, I actually think it's absolutely fantastic, and no, they're not paying me to say that at all. It looks really good in the description, but actually trying it out on the car properly, it was fantastic. Really made walking around the car so much easier. It makes washing so much easier, much more frustration free, and you know, it's definitely going to become part of my, you know, routine wash arsenal alongside, you know, my snow foams and shampoos and all that stuff. So yeah, it's one of those products I definitely say, if you haven't got one already, go out there, buy one now, because you definitely won't look back. And that's what I have to say on this. So anyway, thanks for watching guys, see you soon, take care.